Hey everyone, Mrs. Friend and Mrs. Foley here to show you how we are going to log into Canvas. When you get to the Bozeman School District website, www.bsd7.org, you will see a page that looks like this. You're going to toggle over to Employees, and under Employees, they will select Canvas. This will bring them to a page where they will log in with their student email address and password that we provided, as well as a pairing code that we provided. The students will then be directed to our kindergarten homepage, which looks like this. On our kindergarten homepage, we have a weekly schedule here. We also call it a week at a glance, that will describe what we're working on each week. Here are the different subject areas that the kiddos will be able to click on. And then at the bottom here is just a sample daily schedule if you would like to follow it. So let's say I was going to start with math today. I would click on the number corner math button. For math, we do have the live session, so they can click here to view the live session. And if they are a B student and they are at home for the Monday lesson, they would click on their corresponding button to complete the lesson for that day. So if today was Monday, I would click the Monday button. There are some directions provided up at the top for parents to read. Eventually they will be audio for the kiddos to listen to. They can watch the video, and it will click them through each of the lesson for that day and the activities they are to do. When they get to this page here, they will click on Mrs. Foley and Mrs. Friend button, which will guide them back to the home page. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. We're all learning this together, and we will help you as best as we can. Thanks.